You can perform operations with integers on any calculator that has an integer key. And it looks kind of like this. Here's the key, and it's got a plus minus. Now on some calculators, for example, some trades calculators, it's not actually right on the key. It's an alternate function, and you might have to hit like shift or convert or something, and you'll see plus minus like that above another key. But that one will still do integers calculations. So to perform the calculations, if you have a number that is negative, then what you do, so say you wanted to type in -6, you'd type 6 and then the integer key to show -6. Positive numbers, well, numbers are always positive unless you say differently, so you don't have to do anything for those. One way that you can add and subtract signed numbers using a calculator is to enter everything as written and the signs as written using the integer key. So for example, say we have 11 minus positive 12 plus -6 minus -3 plus -7. We can enter all the numbers like this. We have 11 minus positive 12, and we don't need a sign because it's positive, plus -6, so 6, and then the integer key. There we go. Minus -3, so 3, and then the integer key. Plus -7, so 7, and then the integer key. Equals -11. Now another option is you can remove all the brackets first and simplify the signs, and then you don't need to use the integer key at all unless the first number is negative. So in this case we simplify -11 plus 12 is 11 minus 12 minus 6, because those two are different. These two are the same, plus 3. These two are different, minus 7. Now we don't need to use the integer at all, the integer key at all. We can just enter the numbers in the operations. If the first number happened to be -11, then you would have to use the integer key for that number, but that's the only one. So once everything's been simplified and the brackets have been removed, you just enter the numbers. So we'd have 11 minus 12 minus 6 plus 3 minus 7 equals. So there are fewer keys to push. You just do the simplifying first.